Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add stroke color to text in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option already selected. Now click here edit option down arrow and select text. Now click on this text box and active and drag your mouse cursor, select your text you want to add fill color. I will add this text fill color. Stroke color and click on this format option and this is stroke color option and this stroke color white. I'll select it 0.5 and stroke color I'll add this red color and see this stroke color now added here. Also I'll add this text stroke color and we add this green color and this green color stroke now added and stroke and make it 0.2 and see this. In this way you can add stroke color to your text. Also I'll add here stroke color 0.5 and this stroke color red, this yellow and see this. In this way you can add stroke color to your text and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.